This is the story of how Nubank was founded. A story by CK English, intended for Brazilian English language learners. Like and subscribe for more content like this. It was 2013. Two people met at a coffee shop in Sao Paulo. David and Christina were both frustrated. They had waited in long lines at their banks all morning. High fees, hidden charges, opaque policies. David Velez had just moved from Colombia. Christina Junqueira was tired of terrible customer service. They looked at each other and thought the same thing. There must be a better way. So they asked themselves one question. What if banking could be simple, transparent, and free? They weren't looking to start a bank. They were just fed up. But that one question changed everything. Armed with a small team of engineers and a big idea, they got to work. They booked a tiny office, no fancy furniture, just desks and laptops. They had a vision, and they had the technology. Their plan? To build a digital bank on a smartphone. No branches, no paper forms, no waiting in lines, just an app that users could trust. That was revolutionary in Brazil. Nubank began by offering a no-fee credit card, issued instantly via an app. No annual fees, real-time transaction alerts, and customer service people actually wanted to talk to. In the first year, they had only a few thousand users, but each user was thrilled. They posted glowing reviews on social media. They told friends. Word spread like wildfire. Investors took notice. Sequoia Capital, Tencent, Founders Fund. They poured money into Nubank's mission, financial inclusion for millions of underbanked Brazilians. 2016 arrived, and product number 2 was launched. NuConta, a digital checking account with instant transfers and high-yield savings. Customers could finally save money, earn interest, and pay bills, all from their phones. By 2018, they had 4 million customers. By 2020, over 20 million. Nubank was not just a bank, it was a movement. But growth brought challenges. How to scale to 40 million users. How to handle millions of transactions per day. How to compete with giant banks like Itaú and Bradesco. The answer was technology, built on cloud infrastructure. Then came 2021, Nubank's IPO in New York. Value, over $40 billion. The largest tech IPO in Latin American history. David and Christina watched as their vision went global. Today, Nubank serves customers in Brazil, Mexico, and Colombia. From a small coffee shop conversation in Sao Paulo to a global fintech powerhouse, Nubank has rewritten the rules of banking. And to think, it all started because two people got tired of waiting in line. That is the story of how Nubank was founded. I hope you enjoyed it. Now complete the English exercises. You can find the link to the exercises in the video's description, or check out our website. Like and subscribe for more content like this.